In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and run WordPress on HostGator hosting easily. If you're just getting started with building your own website or blog, using HostGator and WordPress together can give you a powerful and flexible platform to grow your online presence. First, you'll want to log into your HostGator cPanel. The cPanel is your control panel and your gateway to managing your hosting account. Once you're logged in, look for the Softaculous apps installer. This tool makes the WordPress installation process much smoother as it automates many of the tasks for you. Click on it to proceed. In the Softaculous apps installer, you'll see a variety of applications that you can install, but today we're focusing on WordPress. Find WordPress in the list and click on the Install button. This initiates the process of setting up WordPress on your domain. You'll need to choose the domain where you want WordPress installed. If you've already purchased a domain through HostGator, select it from the drop-down menu. If you have more than one domain registered, be sure to pick the right one for your new site. Then fill in your admin username, password, and email address. These credentials are important as they'll be your key to accessing your WordPress dashboard later. Once you've filled in all necessary details, click Install and wait for the completion screen. The installer will run through the setup, and after a short wait, your WordPress site will be ready to use. You'll receive a confirmation that the installation was successful, along with links to your new site's front end and the admin dashboard. Now, you're ready to log into your WordPress dashboard where you can start building out your site. To access it, use the admin URL provided to you during installation. This is typically your domain.com/wp admin. Enter the admin username and password you set up earlier to log in. Inside the WordPress dashboard, you can change your site's theme, add plugins to extend functionality, and start creating content. WordPress is highly user-friendly, and there are plenty of tutorials to help you explore its capabilities further. If at any point you need to revisit the installation settings or check for updates, Softaculous and the HostGator cPanel remain accessible for any changes. And there you have it. Installing WordPress on HostGator is straightforward and opens up a world of possibilities for your website. Whether you're starting a personal blog, business site, or an e-commerce store, this setup provides a strong foundation to build upon. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.